With so many different materials, how do you remember how to set the laser systems?
Well, of course, if you work with our systems quite frequently, you'll get a feeling of what parameters you want to use for which kind of material. But if you don't have a feeling for a certain material, our system comes with a pre-installed database of which around 250 parameters are in there. So if you, for whatever reason, want to cut, for example, acrylic, then there would be some parameters for you in there already.
And what if there's a new material?
That's no problem also. If you have a new material, you can test it, of course, with the laser, and then you can save your determined parameters into the database and you'll have it forever in there, basically.
That's so smart. Thank you.
No problem.